to the path to game dev. My name is Philip Ritmeester, and in this exciting intermediate to advanced bootcamp, you and I will be building my soon-to-launch Steam game, Member of War, from scratch. The best part is that this entire bootcamp will be uploaded to the CGBrush YouTube channel with a fresh new upload coming every Monday and Friday, and a weekly update and overview of what will be coming next week. Let's dive right into what this bootcamp has to offer and what you will be learning. The Path to Game Dev Bootcamp is the only bootcamp on the entire web which will walk you through the entire process of building a commercial quality indie game and publishing this to Steam. And not only that, you will be recreating the exact game I soon hope to launch on Steam from scratch. By the end of this bootcamp, you will have created a complete game framework that is not only ready to be published or pitched to publishers, but it has also given you all the knowledge you need to replace all the custom resources that came with this bootcamp, such as vehicles, textures, UI, and sounds. You and I will be writing tons of systems that will all work together. We will write our own network code in Unity 2018 based on UNet. We create AI that can control our vehicles, such as tanks, boats, and much more. The more progress we will make with our game, the more likely it will be that our game engine and its features may become out of date, which is why we will build our first game in Unity 2018. And later, we will upgrade to a newer and more up-to-date version of the Unity game engine. To learn and understand what troubles this brings and how we can fix them. Like, for example, replacing our UNet-based networking system with a newer system supported by the new Unity engine version. In order to replace our network system in the best possible way, we will have to do some good research into Unity their own solutions like netcode for game objects and how we can migrate from UNet to netcode. But we will also look into Unity assets on the asset store that can help us reach our goals and may solve issues other solutions will give us if we choose to go for them. Like, for example, the lack of server hosting capabilities. Together, we will create 4 exciting maps from the start, all different in size and with unique landmarks like cities, bridges, canyons, and even islands, in which both naval and land combat can take place. To welcome our players, we will build a main menu in which they can select their username, customize their vehicles with fun and exciting coatings, stickers, as well as giving them the ability to create their own unique colors and variants. In the main gameplay, we will create tooltips to give us advice on features, like the support class, which can give ammunition and fuel to allies, as well as the engineer, which can repair allies. But we will also look into ping systems that both players and our AI can use, and of course, create a basic tutorial for new players. I will also be showing you how you can replace the voices in my pinging system with your own by doing a little bit of voicing. There's much more to talk about, and we will dive into that in a later video, bringing an in-depth overview of what you can expect. In the next video, we will talk about how you can access the files for this bootcamp, what will be free and what will be paid, and there will be more information about a beginner's course you can take either on the channel or at the official Unity learning website for free to be optimal prepared for the path to game dev, intermediate to advanced indie game development